Have you purchased a MacBook between 2015 and 2019? You might be eligible for a significant payout from Apple. In a recent turn of events, Apple has agreed to a $50 million settlement over claims that certain MacBook keyboards were defective. This lawsuit covered multiple models sold between 2015 and 2019. If you experienced issues with sticky or unresponsive keys, this settlement might very well concern you. To be eligible for compensation, you must have purchased a MacBook model with the so-called butterfly keyboard during the specified period. The problems typically involved keys that would stick, repeat characters unexpectedly, or fail to register keystrokes. Under the terms of the settlement, affected customers can receive payouts ranging from $50 to $395, depending on the nature and frequency of the issues they encountered. Filing a claim is straightforward. Visit the official settlement website. The link can be found in the description below. There, you'll find detailed instructions on how to submit your claim. You'll need to provide proof of purchase and, if possible, documentation of the issues you faced. This could be a receipt from a repair shop or even an email thread discussing the problem with Apple support. Do check your eligibility and consider filing a claim. It's an opportunity to potentially recoup some of the costs or frustrations you endured. Remember, the deadline to file your claim is March 6th, 2023. Payments will be issued after the final approval hearing, which is scheduled for March 16th, 2023. This settlement represents a chance for affected MacBook users to get acknowledgement and compensation for their troubles. If you think you qualify, reviewing your options soon could be well worth your time. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check the description for more details and the link to the claim submission page. Take action soon to ensure you don't miss out on a potential payout. Stay informed and take the steps needed to claim what you might rightfully be owed.